Hi, I'm going to make the shrimp with rice noodle. And the rice noodle, they're packaged to look like this. And they are not soft, they are really hard. So they're really hard, but when you soak it in the hot water for about 10-15 minutes, and they turn out so soft like this. And then I have 2 cups of bean sprout, 1 ounce of red pepper, 1 ounce of green onion, and 5 ounces of shrimp. And for the sauce, I use 1/4 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of XO sauce, and 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Okay, for the shrimp, I put a pinch of salt and white pepper in it. And I mix well. And then I use 1 teaspoon of cooking rice and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch in it. Okay, I'm going to using 1/4 cup of water. Then I put 1 tablespoon of XO sauce. And that is a XO sauce. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce and some sugar in it. Then you mix well. Okay, the wok is hot, so I'm going to cook the shrimp first. Okay, the shrimp looks good, so I'm going to remove the shrimp. Then I stir fry the onion first. I separate the white and green. I put the white in it first. Then I put the bean sprout in it and the red pepper. Then I put all the noodle in it. Then I put all the sauce in it too. Then I put all the green in it. You see, you still have a lot of sauce in it, but that's okay, they will dry up. Looks good, then I'm put all the shrimp in it. When you see the sauce start to dry up like that means they're ready. So this is all ready to go. You turn off the heat. Okay, Dex, I make today the shrimp rice noodle with XO sauce.